What's shaking, gang? Here we are in Hampton, Iowa. A little bit in the middle of nowhere. There was a charging station in the far part of this town, and it's about 20 miles off the freeway. And I wanted to check it out because it had good reviews, and also it's in the heart of America. I drove through if I drove through 10 miles of cornfields, I drove through 1,000 miles of cornfields, just rolling hills. And the corn's not up now because it's cold and it's April. But I can't even imagine how beautiful this is when the corn is green. It's beautiful now. And then you come to this little town, Hampton, and the first thing you see is "Welcome to Hampton" sign, population 118. I'm just kidding. It's not 118. It's more than that, but it's not that much more. And right when you come on in, there is the fairgrounds are right there. And you know that they have an awesome county fair. You know that the county fair is the place to be in the summertime. Like, oh my goodness. And then you drive real slow through downtown. There's a cute little motel. There's the corner bar. There was a Hardee's. Got me a mushroom and Swiss. It's my favorite. And then you go a little bit through downtown and you see the courthouse building and the police station and the library. It kind of takes me back to a time when I felt maybe things were a little bit more simpler and a little bit more authentic, maybe. And so I arrived at this charging station, and it's a good charger. It was seamless. I pulled the app, charged right up, and it's at a little store. There's a little store here, a Dollar Fresh Market, and I went inside because I had to go to the bathroom. And it was cool, man. It was like it was just a mini grocery store. Actually, it was more than mini. It was a large grocery store. Just a lot of fresh food. Everything looked great in there. It was super clean. You could pick up a half gallon of Black Velvet, a crossword puzzle, and go to the bathroom. The bathrooms were super clean. So it was really nice. It's just it's nice sitting here thinking about how my life and how lucky I am and how great it is being out on the road and sharing all of this with you. So this is really, I only have one more stop and then that's it. And then back home, and I'll wrap it up after this. So thanks for joining me on this journey. It's been an absolute incredible ride. And I just feel so lucky and so fortunate to have been able to do it. And of course, share it with all of you. So we'll catch you at the next one.